Bore da, I'm in Diniolen this morning, 4 bedrooms in this one, sleeps 8.
My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
So we've got 2 double bedrooms and 2 more bedrooms with bunk beds, so sleeps 8 altogether. Some lovely modern bathrooms and open plan living with a real fire. We're pet friendly and we've got a fantastic hot tub for you as well. Diniolen's an old slate mining village, a fantastic industrial heritage here, just been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but lots of walking as well, of course. I'm sure lots of you will head towards Snowdon, maybe enjoy the lake at Llanberis as well, but I'd encourage you maybe to head towards the mountains just behind us, Adwyr-Mynydd and then Adwyr-Mynydd just behind that. Some sort of less busy mountains perhaps. Let's go look. Bye.
You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take